How to make a Roblox as a beginner developer. So in here, the very first thing that you need is obviously your Roblox Studio. Make sure you're logged into your account. Let's just go into our dashboard, and obviously you would need to create your own Roblox game first of all, right? You can click on create experience, then you can start creating your own game on your Roblox using Roblox Studio. After creating your Roblox game, now what you're going to do is obviously publish your game, and then you can invite your players to test it. So after doing that, you can start improving the game based on the feedbacks that you'll be able to see or get from your players. Then from that, you can actually start earning Robux when the player makes purchases. So in here, obviously, like I said, create your game, publish it, get feedbacks, improve your game, and then if the audience do buy it, you'll be able to earn your Robux. So yeah, actually you need to be like very consistent on this, right? So make consistent updates that would actually help attract more players. And that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.